The ultimate guide to perfect oral hygiene. Good oral hygiene is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing dental diseases. This guide will provide an overview of the basics of oral hygiene and the best practices for keeping your mouth healthy. Brushing your teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste is the most important part of any oral hygiene routine. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes, focusing on all surfaces of the teeth and gums. Flossing is an essential part of any oral hygiene routine, as it removes plaque and other debris from between the teeth and gums, where brushing can't reach. Floss once a day, using a gentle sawing motion. Mouthwash is an important part of any oral hygiene routine, as it helps to reduce plaque and freshen breath. Use an alcohol-free mouthwash that contains fluoride for added protection against cavities and gum disease. Regular dental visits are an essential part of any oral hygiene routine. Visiting the dentist every 6 months allows them to monitor your oral health and detect any problems before they become serious. Good nutrition is an essential part of any oral hygiene routine. Eating a balanced diet that is low in sugar and high in fruits and vegetables helps to keep teeth and gums healthy. Quitting smoking is an important part of any oral hygiene routine. Smoking increases the risk of gum disease, tooth decay, and oral cancer. Good oral hygiene habits should start early in life. Teach children the importance of brushing and flossing and help them to establish a routine. For those with braces, good oral hygiene is even more important. Brushing and flossing after every meal is essential. Special tools such as interdental brushes and floss threaders can help to clean around the wires. For those with dentures, good oral hygiene is essential. Brush dentures daily with a soft bristled brush and non-abrasive cleanser. Soak dentures overnight in a cleaning solution to keep them clean and bacteria-free. For those with implants, good oral hygiene is essential. Brush and floss implants as you would natural teeth. Use a special interdental brush to clean around the implants. For those with crowns, bridges, and veneers, good oral hygiene is essential. Brush and floss as you would natural teeth, and use a special interdental brush to clean around the crowns and bridges. For those with periodontal disease, good oral hygiene is essential. Brush and floss as you would natural teeth, and use a special interdental brush to clean around the gums. Visit your dentist regularly for professional cleanings. For those with dry mouth, good oral hygiene is essential. Drink plenty of water and use a fluoride toothpaste. Avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, and use sugar-free gum or lozenges to stimulate saliva production. For those with sensitive teeth, good oral hygiene is essential. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and a toothpaste formulated for sensitive teeth. Avoid acidic and sugary foods and drinks, and use a desensitizing rinse. For those with bad breath, good oral hygiene is essential. Brush and floss twice a day, use a tongue scraper, and use an alcohol-free mouthwash. Avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, and chew sugar-free gum. Good oral hygiene is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing dental diseases. Following these simple tips will help to keep your mouth healthy and happy.